Gusto ko lang i-share itong isang information na nabasa natin through the Pi Network support portal, okay? This is about KYC or yung Know Your Customer process. So, ini-scroll ko to from the top of the page pababa regarding the KYC. So, nandito na lahat ng mga processes na kailangan. And dito sa lower part, ayan guys, so makikita natin, KYC for minors. Age restriction, okay? Currently, KYC, Know Your Customer, is only available for users 18 years old and older, okay? KYC option for minors, okay? The Pi core team has developed a solution for minors. Minors can enter their date of birth when starting a KYC application, and then the KYC grace period countdown timer will pause for minors until they turn 18 years old. Ayan. So, maikling-maikli lang siya, pero at least meron tayong idea, or ito talaga nasusulat na to directly from the Pi Network app. So, yun lang yung quick update natin ngayon, guys. Pero ibig sabihin pala, halimbawa may anak tayo na less than 18 years old pa lang, pwede na natin pala silang, kung halimbawa may extra mobile phone tayo, pwede na silang mag-umpisa ng pagda-download sa Pi Network app. Ang kinaganda kasi nun, pwede mong i-share yung, halimbawa ikaw ay isang parent, pwede natin i-share yung invitation code natin sa kanila. And for sure, mamamonitor natin yung kanyang KYC, okay, in the near future, okay? Siyempre, tutulungan natin yung anak natin na ma-verify or ma-complete niya yung KYC process kasi, kumbaga parang, sabihin na natin, parang pamana na natin sa kanya yung Pi Network na knowledge, okay? And bahala na siya kung paano niya to i-maximize in the long run, okay? Hanggang sa pag-mature or pagtanda niya, okay? Disclaimer statement for our crypto, bayanihan, Web3 wallets. All the information on our website is published in good faith and for general information purpose only and not financial advice, okay?